I'm not the right person you should be sending these pictures to. I'm just not. Okay, so this picture was commented on one of my videos saying wala na yung Taekook Mami because in this picture we see Jungkook and supposedly Winter having the same shorts. And they were also pointing out that this could have been Jungkook's shorts because they look too big for Winter. Okay, I'll give it to you. Possible, pwedeng yan nga yung shorts ni Jungkook. Pwedeng magjowa nga sila talaga. Kung yan ang agenda nyo, go. Send this to a G Cooker. Send this to a Tainy. You giving this to me is a waste of time. Because after what I've been through as a Tay Cooker, this is nothing. It means nothing to me. Hanggat hindi sila nakikita or napipicturean, nabivideohan na naglalakad ng magka-holding hands, kahit paparehas ang panty at brief nila, wala akong pake. Ang reply ko pa nga, iisa lang ba yan? Yan lang yung shorts na yan sa buong mundo, hindi na pwedeng bumili ang ibang tao? Eh di ba nga lahat ng suotin nila nasa-sold out, so ibig sabihin buong mundo merong ganun. So just stop sending me these. You're making me do content I don't want to do. And again, sinasayang nyo lang ang oras nyo. Wag ako.